Welcome to this detailed review of SimpleSwap, the crypto exchange platform designed for ease and flexibility. In this video, we'll explore how SimpleSwap works, its unique features, and why it's a favorite for crypto enthusiasts worldwide. SimpleSwap provides users with an effortless way to swap cryptocurrencies. One of its standout features is that there's no need for registration or lengthy verification processes, making it a user-friendly option for both beginners and experienced traders. To get started, simply choose the cryptocurrencies you wish to exchange, enter your wallet address, and confirm the transaction. It's as easy as that, with transactions typically completed in minutes. The platform also supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, ensuring you have the flexibility to trade your preferred assets. With SimpleSwap, transparency is a priority. Exchange rates are displayed upfront, and there are no hidden fees. This allows you to make informed decisions with confidence. Furthermore, their 24/7 customer support team is always ready to assist in case of any issues or questions. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Another notable feature of SimpleSwap is its API integration, which makes it an excellent choice for developers and businesses looking to offer crypto exchange services on their platforms. Whether you're swapping small amounts or large sums, SimpleSwap delivers a secure and efficient experience. The user interface is intuitive, ensuring a smooth process even for first-time users. If you're looking for a platform that simplifies cryptocurrency exchange while maintaining security and reliability, SimpleSwap is worth considering. It's tailored to meet the needs of a diverse user base, from casual traders to crypto veterans. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more informative content, and give this video a like if you found it helpful.